What's up there, guys? Alright, repainted the case. Yeah, you know that looks clean. Wolf, baby. Clean the whole rear end on this thing, clean the whole engine, new fuel filter. Just finished putting a whole new carb on there, and did a whole new throttle cable, new performance air intake. I went ahead and redid the entire head on this and put a new pairing system on there, and then I went ahead and stuffed the pairing hole. This had a leak out of the pairing system and I didn't feel like welding brackets, so I just stuck the bolt in there to keep the pairing system closed. That way it'll run a lot better. And then I went ahead and put a new coil on there, new CDI, new spark plug. It's about to get a new starter. I just finished the throttle cable up here, so it's got a brand new fresh throttle cable. The old one's down there. And so it's had a new piston, new rings, new everything, man. Oil change, all of it. All I'm waiting for now before this job is done is the new starter to come in. I replaced the Bendix and the new master cylinder for the front brake. I can see why it was leaking. Because the glass was broken on the front of this. You can see it's all leaked out of the glass. So I think the brake is just fine. It just needs a new master cylinder that doesn't do that. So I've got the line ready to go. I've got some DOT4, but everything else seems to be working. So now what we're waiting on is the new starter. Let's go ahead and turn this on, give it a kick, and let you listen to it now that it has been completely rebuilt, basically, and had a valve job and everything else. The scooter's been completely gone through from top to bottom. So let me show you. So I did reuse the original cam, valves, all that. I inspected them. They weren't horrible. They weren't the best, but they weren't horrible. They'll work for a while longer. So the valves will still chatter a little bit. You'll still hear the valve chatter. But as far as the rest of this goes, I'm about to throw the seat back on now that I'm done underneath the seat. And I'll let you have a listen to this thing now. Sounds a lot cleaner now. It's a lot louder because I have a performance air intake on it, so you can hear her sucking air now. She's ready to rip, man. This thing will scoot. I bet you she'll go 55 miles an hour, no problem. So it sounds really good now. That's how we do it over here. That's how we do it here. So, anyways, well, that case looks really clean, repainted. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. She's getting there. Headlights still work. All the blinkers work. So all we're waiting on is the master cylinder and the starter. And she'll be going off to the next owner. $700. Alright, she's all done. Gave her a good cleaning, remounted the headlight, cleaned everything up real good. Did the valve job, put fresh gas in her, everything. She's ready to rip, Tater Chip. How about that?